In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy an IKEA delivery discount promo code. If you're trying to save on delivery fees, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to grab a code quickly and safely. First, go to Google. Open your preferred web browser and head to google.com. This ensures you're searching the most up-to-date pages for current promotions. Make sure you're on the official Google homepage so the results are reliable and easy to filter. Next, in the search bar, type IKEA delivery discount promo code and press enter. Using that phrase helps Google surface pages focused specifically on delivery discounts, not just general store-wide offers. You may see a mix of sponsored results and organic results. Both can be useful, but you'll want a trustworthy source with clearly labeled codes and dates. From the results, click on the Coupon Flow website. It should appear as a coupon aggregator that lists multiple IKEA offers on one page. Select the result that clearly references IKEA and looks current. Landing on the Coupon Flow page, you'll notice a collection of codes, often grouped by category or labeled with tags like verified, top, or latest. These tags can help you judge which codes are worth trying first. Scroll down the page to explore everything that's available. Scrolling gives you a broader view of options, including any delivery-specific codes that might be lower on the list. Take a moment to skim the brief descriptions under each code. They usually mention the type of discount, potential minimums, and any limitations, which can save time later. When you find a code that looks promising, click on Show Coupon Code. Most coupon sites mask the code until you click, so this button reveals the exact characters you'll need. Sometimes clicking may open a new tab for the retailer while displaying the code on the coupon page. That's normal behavior for coupon aggregators. Once the code is visible, you can copy the code right there. Either use the on-screen copy button, if provided, or highlight the code and copy it using your device's standard copy function. Before you leave the page, double-check any notes about expiration dates or usage restrictions so you know what to expect when you apply it. That's it. You found, revealed, and copied an IKEA delivery discount promo code using Google and Coupon Flow, keeping the process quick, clear, and